nice. They allow horses in there. I just got it. Oh, I lost the piece. Gosh darn it. They tried it.
You gotta go back here, Iris.
You know, I gotta ask. What's your dog's name? Murphy. Murphy. Murphy is a fine dog. Well behaved. Respect. Look at that. See? Murphy. Outstanding. How old? 2.5. 2.5. See how chill? Oh, very chill. Okay, Murphy. You have a good one. Take care. Not your way. So look at this. This is the food area right here.
Taylor, our friend Taylor, is having friends Michelle, Philip, and Owen.
Desserts. I'm gonna go get me some crack. Seriously. I want to get a card. I'm just gonna grab a card. Thank you. Over this way. I just really want to see what one. Alright, that makes sense. Pickle on a stick is actually pickle on a stick. Oh, I want to see what one looks like. Oh, that's the pep. Okay. That's the cone right there. That's the bone stick. That's the hot dog. Looks like everything $5 is doing all right. These crab cakes are getting to me, boy.
I definitely want to know these guys.
Literally. That happened, I was like, oh no, I can't.
Where am I doing that? I got this. The more I think about it, the more I waste.
We're fine. Let's just keep going to meet. I don't remember. I'm really trying to relate. She's got the ticket.
There is some stuff right here down from the bell.
Sure.